On to a CAT 2021 slot 2 question. Let's start the timer. A box has 450 balls, each either white or black. Okay, there being as many metallic white balls as metallic black balls. Okay, so you have metallic and non-metallic. Immediately go in for a table, right? You can put the metallic over here, non-metallic over here. You have the white and the black and the totals. The grand total is given to us as 450. Okay, what else is given over here? Metallic white and metallic black are equal, fine. 40% of the white balls and 50% of the black balls are metallic, okay, which are equal. So if these are going to be x and y, 0.4x equals 0.5y. So x by y over here is nothing but 5 by 4. This is the ratio of 5:4, total of 9 parts. So each one is 50, so 250 over here and 200 over here. And 40% of this is 100, and this is also 100. So if this is 200, the remaining is going to be 250, and that's what is asked. The answer here is 250, right? So the idea over here is not to really solve this in 60 seconds and prove a point, right? So if at all you're practicing, don't start chasing that. It comes with a lot of practice, right? So when you see a question like this, when you have an attribute for color and one more attribute over here for metallic and non-metallic, you know that you've got to form a table over here, right? So that's what they're looking for. A grand total of 450 over here, and then a 40% of white and 50% of black, and that's linked up and they are equal. Just write it down, form a ratio, 5:4. So if this is 5 parts and 4 parts, the grand total is 9 parts. If 9 parts is 450, each part is 50. So you get a 250 and a 200. A 40% of this is 100. Or you know a 50% of 200 is 100 and both are equal. So if this is 200, the remaining non-metallic is going to be the difference, which is 250. And that's your answer for this question.